So we're gonna roll with this one. Donut. LA donut. See what they got. Let's see. Regular donut. Let's see. Fruit donut, okay. Donut sundae. So you got a lot of different nice things. Oh, they got the vanilla sprinkle. Oh yeah. Look at that strawberry right there. A lot of different options. S'mores. Gonna roll with. Oh, they got the glaze. Hey, what's going on? What are these ones right here?
Those are strawberry banana. These are banana Nutella one right there.
Banana and Nutella. That's pretty smooth. What about this right here?
And the one on the left is our strawberry one. This is strawberry glazed.
Okay. And this is vanilla sprinkle right here.
Vanilla strawberry sprinkles on there.
And the standard ones are 3.
So regular. So everything right here, from this right here and the bottom, are all just our regular donuts. So those are all $3, and then the rest would be all 5.
So the one in the middle?
It's all just 3.
Oh, okay.
Those are all regular.
Okay. Let me get how much is this one right here? This.
That's 5.
Let me get one of those.
Okay. Whipped cream in there?
Yeah. And let me also get. Do you guys got like a box for like 6? Yeah. Let me get 6. So as you see, LA Donut, man, they really doing their thing. First time ordering with them, checking them out.
So, do you want that one in the box too, or do you want that separately?
Yeah, you can put it in the box.
Okay.
Cool.
What are the other donuts you like, sir?
Can we get 2 of these? 2 of the strawberry ones?
Two more of these?
Yeah, just a total of 2 of those?
Total of 2 of those?
Yeah.
What cream is that?
Okay.
Yeah, is whipped cream extra?
No. It's all extra.
Okay, cool. As you see, they're hooking it up back there. Yeah. Let me get Let me get 2 of the vanilla sprinkles. And then 2 of the well, let me get 1 glaze and then 1 of the crumb. As you see, LA Donut, man, they doing their thing. They are doing their thing, man. That's it. See how what's the damage? See how it came out. We got ice cream too, so you know. Where you guys out of?
What was that?
Where you guys out of? What city?
LA.
You guys drove up here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah. And we come here every Monday. It's our 4th Monday, right?
How you guys liking it?
Do you want napkins?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's cool.
Good time.
How much is it?
22.
Came out 22. Make sure we take care of them. Money.
¿Cuál? ¿Cuál quieres?
All right. So
¿Cuál? ¿Ese?
LA Donut right here, man. Shout out to them. Appreciate you. Hold on. Real quick, give you a card too. Hold on. You guys active on your social media? All right, appreciate you, man.
Thank you so much.
All right, nice meeting you guys too.
Meeting you too.
All right, yeah. So you see LA Donut right here. You know, you gotta check them out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, we can't. Oh, we're gonna lose them. Ooh. Ooh. We almost lost them. We don't want that. That's what we got. LA Donut, win and play. Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The champion's playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.